It's for you, the writer.
It's a tool that you are going to put together to help guide you as you are producing a book
Yeah,
or a
yeah,
screenplay.
yeah. When you walk out into that wilderness, right, you have a map with you. Now, if you decide to go off the trail because it looks more interesting, you can do that. But at least on your map, you have like your map, and it's telling you your plan for the day, or for the 2 years that it takes to write a novel, or whatever, if you're lucky. Um, that there's a little mountain you're going to climb, and then a slightly larger one, and then a really big one. Um, and this is the route, and it has a name and an end product. And you may meander a bit. That's fine, and you're still going to discover quite a few things along the way. But at least you're striding out into that wilderness with a map or a GPS if it's science
And
fiction.